Don't have an API key and no CSV handy either? You can still get your trades into Folio with just a screenshot. Inside Folio, hit Add Trade and switch to the Screenshot tab. Open your exchange's position history or P&L screen and take a screenshot of your closed trades. Back in Folio, drop the screenshot into the box. Folio reads it automatically and pulls out your trades: symbol, side, entry, exit, P&L. One thing to watch: double-check every trade and its direction before you import it. A screenshot doesn't always capture everything Folio needs, so review the details carefully. But that's just the start. Imported trades are just data until you make them honest. So open each trade and do the real work. Why did you take it? Double-check the leverage. A sync can only approximate it. Did you actually follow your plan? Folio's AI coach reads exactly this to analyze your trading and help make you profitable. That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Hit Import, and your closed trades land right in your journal. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.